Hazriq is a very interactive speaker. Okay, he has lots of ideas to keep you engaged. Okay, this is a platform that actually showcases a lot of a series of speakers, professional speakers, that actually helps me to enhance my knowledge, to improve my efficiency and competency at work. Definitely I have learned a lot of things ranging from creative problem solving, confidence building, image, building up image, boosting up image, and then looking forward towards your life goals, and many more. I enjoy Hazriq's segment, basically how to unleash my potential of creativity by using questions, and how you respond to questions using positive affirmations actually is a very good startup to unleash my creative potential. Hazriq is a very interactive speaker. Okay, he has lots of ideas to keep you engaged during his training session, and I would recommend him as one of your professional trainers who actually will build up the competency of confidence and creativity. He is one walking role model that we should look up to, and especially to the younger aspiring generation.